Hello YouTube, I got another opening for you guys. It's the Forces of Nature collection with the Thunderous, Glandorous, and Tornadus promos, and the full art right there, pretty nice. So let's get opening. Okay. So 3 promos and 3 packs. These are old, but they're still pretty good cards. Tornadus, Thunderous. Can you take that out for me? Here, let me do it here. Looks like we got a little damage right there, but it's okay. Landers. Okay, so we're gonna get to opening. Okay, so Lance, open the packs for me. This is gonna be the first black and white pack. Let's see what we get from here. Looks like they're having a little trouble. Here, let the master do it. Okay, that's good. Here, so we have the code card. We'll take that out. And then you say you don't have to do the trick. Here, show them the cards, Lance. We got Pepitil, Deerling, Manapede, Omolga, Ducklet, Gambantula Hollow, and nice, an Excadrill reverse. Nice card. Keep going. Another Gambantula, Audino, and a Great Ball. Nice packs. Okay. Now we got Call Legends with a Kyogre in front of it. So we got Miss Grievous, Hitmonchan, Houndour, Totodile, Magmar, a Leafeon Hollow, cool. Another 2 Leafeon, reverse. I mean, Hollow and reverse, nice. Dolphin, and a Bayleaf, and Cheerleaders Cheer. Okay, we got more pack for you guys. Here we go. Okay, so Pansear, Deerling, Swaddle, Minccino, Simisage, Beartic, rare, Gothita, and Basculin. Nice cards, guys. Thank you for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. We will have more videos up. Maybe a trade biter coming up too. So stay tuned.